Hey guys, what's up? It's Scudder85 back with another unboxing. This time, as you can see, it's for the Crew 2 Gold Edition. So yeah, I picked this up today on release. Obviously the normal standard game doesn't come out till Friday, so this is obviously 3 days early because it's the Gold Edition. So yeah, there's the front, 4K Ultra HD and Xbox One X enhanced. So this comes with a season pass and everything as well. Welcome to Motor Nation. Explore the entire USA and dominate the ground, the air and the sea. And then it comes with all that there. In-store size is up to 30 gig, but I'll guarantee it'll be probably more by the time you finish. So there's the disc. Manual. Deluxe edition content. So obviously I won't be showing the other side of this because it's got the code on, but that's what it comes with. And then the season pass content, which is obviously again got a code on the other side. Start building your ultimate vehicle collection from the best pilot. So yeah, that's my rather quick unboxing of the Crew 2 guys, Gold Edition on the Xbox One. If you like this, please do be sure to check out my other videos guys. But for now, I'll catch you later, and thank you very much for watching. Bye.